In Polarr Next, you can import your own Lightroom preset to use as a base edit for your AI style. First, import the folder of raw photos you want to edit and then click on Create AI Style. Polarr Next will suggest a set of photos for you to edit as references. To use your Lightroom preset as a base edit, you need to import it by clicking on the plus icon on the left side of your screen and select Import Lightroom Preset. Locate your preset file and open it. Once your preset is imported, select it to apply the edits to your photo. We've recently added a new feature where it will apply your preset to all suggested photos automatically when you select it. To turn it off, click the gear icon at the bottom left, go to the Setup tab, and toggle off Apply Preset to all suggested photos. Continue fine-tuning the adjustments on your photos until you're satisfied with the edit. When the photo is finished, mark it as a reference edit and move on to the next photo. If the preset doesn't look the same as it does in Lightroom, you can request a conversion from our support team by clicking the plus icon and select Request Lightroom Preset Conversion. Alternatively, you can adjust the parameters yourself and select Create Preset under the plus icon to use the newly created version of your preset in the future. Always make sure to apply the preset before making any adjustments or marking any photos as reference edits. If you skip this step, the AI will not be able to use your preset as a base edit for all your photos later. Once you've finished editing all the reference photos, select Finish AI Style Setup. The AI will then process all your photos based on your preset and the edits you made to the reference photos. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate your Lightroom presets into Polarr Next and enhance your photo editing workflow.